saw him sit in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish. For the game that I call Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down to the pool. We fell into the pond.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the books. You will see something new. Two things. And I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are things. Oh, so big. They have a copy of the No! Not in the house!
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
If Mother could say this code, what would she say? Your mother is near. Do as fast as you can. Think of something to do. You will have to get rid of her.
So as fast as I could, I went after my net. I bet with my net I can get those things yet.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. Why?
Little ball, we cannot pick it up. There's no getting all.
Have no fear of this nest.
Said the cat.
I always pick up my playthings, so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? No, what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
Please remain seated, keeping hands and feet inside the vehicle until the door opens and you will ask